Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling materials and choosing a clear design. This saves time and prevents mid-build stops. Cut a felt base to 1.53 inches in your chosen shape, then mark where the pin bar will sit. Apply a thin line of strong craft glue to the pin bar and press it into the felt. Stitch through the bar holes to anchor it. This both reinforces and keeps the brooch from flipping. Once done, let glue set while you prepare decorative elements. Now you construct the decorative middle. Layer materials from largest to smallest so elements sit flush and don't bulk the pin. Start by gluing larger fabric or felt pieces, then add a central focal element like a button or cabochon. Stitch through any holes to lock position. For metal or wire accents, bend and curl with pliers, then tuck and glue or stitch the ends into the felt. This prevents snagging and keeps a clean profile. Make sure balance. Finish by covering the back with another felt circle and gluing or stitching it in place. This conceals stitches and adds strength. Press firmly and let cure fully before wearing. Test the brooch on a blazer lapel to check orientation and balance. If it tilts, shift heavier elements nearer the pin and resecure. If pieces loosen, restitch through the backing and use a drop of thin epoxy for load-bearing joins. This gives durable hold without bulk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.